The first step is to visit Instacart.com, and click the Login button at the top right-hand part of the screen. Log in using one of the methods provided. Click No Thanks. Click Search and look for something that you'd like to buy. This can be a store, an item, or something else. Scroll down and click Select the items you'd like to purchase. These will be added to your cart. Scroll down and click Add. Scroll down and click Checkout. Select a delivery time, then select Continue. At this point, you'll be able to enter a rewards card or membership number. If you don't have one, you can click No Thanks. Enter a phone number and then click Save. Click Save. Click Pick a payment method. For my example, I selected PayPal. Once a payment method has been selected, click Continue. If everything looks correct, click Continue. Your order will now be placed, and you'll receive a confirmation to your email.